introducing nitrous. This thing's been sitting ever since we did the build. Because we're having some issue, right? I don't know what it was. We're having some issue the last time we drove it. Maybe it was the fuel or something?
I don't remember.
Alright, so I feel like this intake boot is too long. We're losing some power. So
Look how long it is.
we'll try to shorten that, fix whatever fuel issue we were having last. Maybe make sure we're getting full throttle, do a few small minor things, and then let's just try to run as much nitrous as we can. I'm not trying to blow it up, but it might. Today's goal is to make as much power as possible, get some improvements, run as much nitrous as possible, and do a speed test.
Yes.
Top speed test. Yo, this thing has no rear shock?
No.
What the heck? This has just been sitting. This is a perfectly good bike. We're gonna start using this thing.
Thing's mint, bro.
Alright, yeah, first, before we do anything, let's just see if it runs. So, I think there's enough gas. That's on. Fuel's on. Poor thing hasn't ran in a while.
Put the choke on. Oh, yeah. It's definitely not getting fuel.
We could try adding more fuel and see if that'll help. Damn, 2 strokes.
Bro, I think we should fix this. I think that should be the first thing. Fix this. I think we should go to the hardware store, bring this piece and the carburetor, and try to find like a 90-degree PVC pipe.
But it has to be really short. Like
Yeah,
right
no,
here.
they have like the little connectors, like 90 degrees.
It's like a brass piece.
It'll be like that.
Yeah, I don't think this is leaking much. But see how loose it is over here? It's pretty loose. Alright, I'm gonna try 1 or 2 more starts.
Alright.
Don't film it unless we get it going, alright? This thing will not run. We gotta go get some piping. We gotta go figure this out. Did we have 2-stroke oil? I think I got 2-stroke oil.
Yeah. I'm thinking that we just get like one of those PVC 90-degree pipes.
Okay, that's out. Just rest that there. This is our...
Man.
I just think the air and fuel has to literally shoot in and go all the way down.
Yeah.
That's terrible.
Bro, look how shitty this carburetor looks.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with it. What are you talking
Shit
about?
looks cheap as
Be
fuck.
nice. This is a little baby carburetor.
It looks cheap. Bro, look, you can literally see
Look
it's
at the
cast.
word. What is the word? Like Bofrang. Bofrang.
Bofang. Bofang.
Alright.
Ain't hold high, Bofang.
I'll see you guys at the store.
I was looking in here. I don't know if, yeah, you could kind of see it. Do you see that?
That might be why we're having issues.
What the f is that, bro?
Alright. So where's that bend? Where's that bend you had? You're just gonna fill this gap. That's not far off. We can make that work. So it's raining now, unfortunately.
Yeah, that's why we're
But
inside.
we're gonna continue anyways. Alright, so this is what we got. So
Bro.
it's gonna go like that. And like that. Now,
Yeah, they're...
I don't know how we're gonna connect this. I don't know if we have solder. Like, these are pretty tight together.
super glue, bro.
This bad boy on. I think this should be good. I found this.
No, I found it in the hardware store.
This is kind of a tight turn, but it's all right. We were trying to figure out how to get this into here good, because it wasn't fitting well, and he decided.
Look how nice it fits now.
Yeah, but it's broken now.
Yeah, but
so he decided to break it.
I was squeezing it with these, and
He decided to break it. I told him not to do it. I told him it would break. He didn't listen.
he did, but I'm an idiot, bro. But it fits nice now. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, it might work.
Mint. Clearance that hole.
Oh, I gotta do it lower. See? You see what I'm trying to do, though?
That's mint. Oh, yeah.
Boom. All right, we're gonna get this on, then we'll test it. All right,
Mint.
that's tight. Yeah, so we're thinking, or I was thinking, we're just gonna run as most gas and as little oil as possible, so we can get more power. As the oil is blocking the fuel, it's too much oil. We're losing power.
Maximum blow upage.
Now, fuel line.
Dude, that's way too long. Cut it.
Fuel line, yeah.
Cut it right there.
No, I'm not trusting you.
Bro.
You're crazy if you think I would trust you. All right. Yeah, I gave it extra. The heck was that? Oh, this whole carb just moved.
the final result. Mint.
Alright. Zip tie is holding this tight onto the boot because he broke the thing, so it doesn't sit in there good.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Fuel on. Let's go test this out before we make more fuel. And make it more rich. Now are we getting full throttle? Yeah, we are.
Mint.
Full throttle. This better run.
Look at the dirt. Look all the dirt. Bro, there's probably no gas.
Alright, we just pulled it down like a quarter mile of a hill almost. Just sitting there. It will not go. So, I mean, it has fuel. We'll make a little more gas, put it in, just so we can count that out. I don't think it's the spark. I think it's a fuel issue, bro. What if we just cut the frame right here and here? So we can just run the OEM thing.
You can't, dude, it's gonna bend.
It's annoying because we can't really, like, turn it over easily.
Yeah.
So, like, I can't try starting fluid. I'm not gonna, I'd have to go down the hill and spray it in. This thing doesn't work. It's gonna have some problems. It's gonna regret not working.
We acquired gas from the shitty bike. Now
Bro,
we're filling it up.
We were just thinking of a video idea because I couldn't find two-stroke oil. We'll just use soap as two-stroke oil.
Yeah.
We'll do gas and then soap. Better work now. If it doesn't work now, I don't know what we're gonna do.
Oh! Yes! Right there. Yo, it's because the intake room. Yo, let's go put the air filter back on. Oh! This thing is running like dog.
I know. Well, yo, let's take the baffle off first. Should we do some nitrous? Nitrous?
Yeah.
I might have a little more torque than before. I don't know. It's hard to tell. I think we're having some vacuum issues with this. The baffle off while it's running.
Isn't it running better with the thing on?
Alright.
Got the NOS kit.
Well, you should be familiar with this. We've done it on so many vehicles. Last time we just went like that.
And it worked.
Yeah.
You might want to tape it though.
Can I shove it in any further? Should I just make this hole bigger so I can go directly in? Like
That's good.
Oh yeah, that just popped through. Boom, look at that. Alright, so that's in there good.
Man.
That's in there good. So we'll do a top speed test without it. / acceleration, and then we'll do it with nitrous.
Bet.
Speedometer and everything.
Yeah.
We got a few extra NOSes to try. We needed to go to a down. That was it. I was floored. It wasn't revving that good. Bro, this nitrous might blow it up right now. Let me get that NOS kit. See how loose it is? We're gonna have to fix that before the day's over. I honestly don't want to blow this thing up.
Well, you only live once, bro.
Hopefully I don't die.
Damn!
having serious vacuum issues, bro.
Yeah.
Like, there's no doubt about it. The boost, like the nitrous helps. We don't even need.
Yeah.
Like speed doesn't even matter. Speed doesn't even matter. Like we know the nitrous boost. Like it pulls hard. But we need to fix this vacuum issue. Yeah, look at that. It's completely loose. I said let's go fix that. We'll play with the NOS a little at my house in the grass. Look, this thing is so loose. It's like I don't even know how. It's the zip. It would have fell off if the zip tie hasn't held it on. But I want to fix this because I want to do a video tomorrow using soap as oil. Yeah, but it runs definitely better with the baffle off, I think. Yo, the main goal of this video is to just get this thing running solid. Because it's just been sitting because the last time we used it, it wasn't running right. And it still wasn't running right. And we fix it, it kind of runs, but it's still not running right. It doesn't even idle. So I just took off this. I'm going to take this off. But the whole point of this video is us getting this thing actually solid so we can use it in other videos and do other stuff with it. Until it blows up.
Man. So bro, just cut it.
There we go. This will be good. We'll hammer this on or something.
Do one.
All right, this is like all hammered on, and pushed on there. Now we put the slits so it'll tighten it. I don't know if it's gonna work.
Bro, stop moving. Give it the wiggle test.
Will it stay on when it gets hot? Probably not. But we'll find out. I need to hammer that spot again. Can you grab the hammer? You gotta tighten the tank.
Oh, the motor. Dent it, you won't.
There's a dent right there.
Dang.
Boom.
Man.
Dude, look how solid this is.
Push down. Oh, yeah.
Watch out. Oh my god, the exhaust is loose.
I knew something was loose. I knew it. I said it in the camera. I said it when you were on the road. I was like, dude, that thing does not sound okay.
Let me go get the Allen keys. This better work.
It better. Start it right there.
I'm gonna.
Choke it. Bro, we just drained all the gas out of the carb.
I never turned the gas back on.
Yeah, there you go. Oh, but now you're turning the gas.
Yeah, I never turned it back on.
Bro.
Alright, so we'll give it a second. Give it a prime. Bro, I'm starting to lose my patience.
It'll start right now. Watch, bro. Trust. Yo. Is it still choked?
No.
Does not sound good.
It ran good for a second, then it stopped. Look at that, that's not going nowhere now.
Man.
I don't understand why it won't idle. Honestly, I don't even care. It drives.
Yeah.
Alright, we're taking the exhaust off because really quickly, I just want to see what it's like without an exhaust.
Yo.
What the heck? That's the piston right there. Wow. Oh.
I saw a flame in there.
It runs now. It definitely is better than it was before. It won't idle, but I think it's going to run consistently now every time. I think this one's solid for now.
Bet.
Thank you for watching. Very nice.
Very nice.